Normally here on the channel, we answer your questions about Sublime Text, how to get the most out of it, how to use it, how to figure out those aspects that you just don't quite understand. Today, however, a little bit different. I have a question for you. Hello fellow Sublime Text fanatics, OdatNurd here, and welcome to this week's video where I have a question to ask you about the channel here at large. Now, if you're new to the channel, and the influx of subscribers has been absolutely amazing in just the last month alone, thanks to each and every one of you. I cannot state this enough. The success of this channel and the videos that appear on this channel are all down to you guys supporting this channel and making it possible. And that's why we're here right now. Now, I've been creating videos for Sublime Text on YouTube for over 2 years now, and a lot has changed in that period of time. Back when I started, Sublime Text 3 wasn't even officially released yet. We were still in beta versions. Various other versions of Sublime Text have come and gone in the way, and now we're at Sublime Text version 4. And of course, content on the channel has changed as well in the period of time that I've been creating videos. Because originally, the videos on the channel were meant to be resource videos to be linked from forum posts or Stack Overflow posts when I would help somebody with a problem they were having with Sublime Text and wanted to give them more context and a visual, hands-on, this is how something works. Because that is the way that I learn best, actually seeing something happen. And over time, the videos on the channel have changed because those original videos are, to put it mildly, not that great. I mean, the content in them is still correct and proper, even for versions of Sublime Text 4 today, but those videos, a little bit long, a little bit wordy, the pacing is off. I did not have as good video recording equipment at the time. We could go on and on. And that's not me being self-deprecating, that's just established fact. Things change, skill levels change over time. If you were a Sublime Text user, you know you were new at one point and now you are a Sublime Text master, and that period took time. And the same can be said for content creators like myself creating videos here on the channel. The ultimate goal of the channel changed. My skill level has evolved as I've gone along. And now I look back at those older videos and think, am I really helping people to the best extent that I can? Because I really want to be creating videos that will help people on their Sublime Text journey. But some of those older videos, while still completely technically accurate even in these Sublime Text 4 days, are perhaps a little bit long and hard to find content in. Hence, the question that I have for you guys. I would like to go back over some of those earlier videos on the channel, in particular things like the scopes and scope selectors video, the videos on build systems, the videos on color schemes, the videos on configuring Sublime Text, and bring them up to date, if you will, with the new style of the channel. That means taking some of those videos that are a little bit longer and splitting them up into smaller pieces that are more manageable, which makes it easier for you to find the pieces of information that you would like to find without having to slog your way through a big, long 30 or 35-minute long video. And along the way, the video quality would go up, the pacing would go up, and the information would also be brought up to more relevance with Sublime Text 4. Now, like I said, it's not like the information in those videos is out of date for Sublime Text 4. Everything that's described in those will still work. There's just some new information that's come to light in the last couple of years to make some of these things even easier or to explain them a little bit better. And that is what I would like to do for the channel. And that is where you guys come in, because I create these videos for you. You show an amazing level of support for the channel, and I do my best to help you with your Sublime Text related questions. And also, coming soon, Sublime Merge videos as well. Those are in the works, and as a matter of fact, once I'm done signing off here, I'm going to go back to working on the content for those videos as well. So, hop down into the comment section of this video and let me know what you would like to see from this initiative. What other content on the channel would you like to see refreshed in this new way? We have things like the scope and scope selector video, the videos on color schemes and build systems, and how all of those things work. Those are all video series that have a lot of information in them. They were sort of meant for a different sort of audience situation that we have right now. Those could all be refreshed, but there are probably tons of other situations on the channel that you would like to see as well. Let me know down in that comment section. And while you're heading down there, use those buttons to thumb, subscribe, and share, and ring the bell notification icon, because next week we'll be back with more Sublime Text tutorial action. And for the foreseeable future, you guys are absolutely amazing. And until that next video, this is OdatNurd asking you all to please have a sublime day.